Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are going to unbox one special product. Actually, what means here is the ZTEL mini Bluetooth thermal printer, guys. Here we are going to unbox this product today in this video. Let's okay. I need to clear this cover. And actually, I purchased this product in Amazon, and this price is starting from 2000 rupees. There is some different variants there. Actually, I purchased the Type C variant. Yeah, okay. Let's first remove this sticker. Sorry, remove this cover. I'm removing it up. Please wait. Yeah, finally I've removed. Here you can see here is the mini Bluetooth thermal printer ZTEL. Let's now I need to unbox it. Let's come on. It's now time to unbox it now. Here you can see mini printer C9 pink. Actually, color is pink, guys. Pink color. And here you can see ZTEL mini printer. And this product is available in Amazon, guys. You can purchase, and its price starting from 2000 rupees INR, Indian rupee. And okay, finally we have opened this box. Here you can see in this they are providing the 10 roll of print papers. Actually 5 and 5 plus 5 they are giving, and they are given one. Wow, okay, it's good. It seems like a pouch, guys. You can keep your printed photos or some text documents or anything. If you have printed some example, if you are printing some photos means you can keep here in this pouch. So only they are providing seems. I can see here is the pouch. The quality is also very good, guys. At this price, it's superb. You can see it printed with some cartoons, like cat and dog cartoons. Okay, let's we can now. Okay, we can take this print paper rolls. Here you can see they are providing 10 print paper rolls, 5 and 5. This is 5 and another 5 is there. This is the roll. And the length is also it's super good, and it is a 200 dpi resolution. Printing quality is and it's totally based on Bluetooth devices, guys. You can wirelessly print out, and here is the print paper rollouts. Print paper rollout is also quality is also very good, actually. Okay, let's keep this aside, and we can take another set of a print paper roll. Here you can see the same thing, only they are again given 5 plus 5 10 totally total 10 print rollers they are providing with this printer, thermal printer. Okay, and after that okay, here is some stickers they are given. Okay, they are providing in this box itself. Here you can see this cartoon stickers. Yeah, it's good. And okay, guys, it's now time to the unbox this portable mini printer. Actually we have already unboxed, but we are going to unbox this main product now. Okay, here's the portable mini printer with instant printing, and here you can see inkless printing and long battery life. It's good, and the main advantage is it is inkless, guys, totally. Yeah, that is the main advantage. And here you can see the type is 9. The structure, okay, it seems a C9 pink. It's pink color, actually. Okay, we can open this box, and we can see what they have provided inside this box too. I am opening this box. Yeah, okay, first thing what they have given, and inside it seems it is a user manual guide, I think. Yeah, it is a user manual guide, right? Okay, let's first open this user manual. You can see, and guys, if you need to read means just pause this video and you can read. This is a manual. You can see they are given battery warning notice, matters need attention. Okay, good. If you need means just pause this video and you can read it out, guys. And okay, let's we can see what they're given inside this cover first. Okay, they are given the charging cable. You can see it is a Type C charging cable, and there is a Type A is also there, guys. There's a lot of variants over there. Type C, Type A, like that kind of charging cables also they are providing. You can select what you need. And here you can see, guys, this is the thermal printer. Finally, I've taken out, and here you can see this is the thermal printer ZTEL, and this looks very cute and good. Actually, the cartoon sticker is very good. Seems, I think both the faces are same. It's a bear face. No, it looks like a cat. I think. Okay, well, here you can see here's the power button they are given, and it's totally Bluetooth control, guys. And here they are given. It seems for removing that panel. If you click the button, means it will automatically gets removed. I will show you. And here you can see here is the Type C port. Okay, we can open this panel. And okay, guys, we need to make a long press on the side button. This is the power button, and we need to make a long press of this button. It will automatically it's open. Here you can see it's open, guys, and there is a print paper is also there. This roll they already defaultly they are giving this inside this. And okay guys, that's all this unboxing video, and in next video I will show you the complete setup of this. And let's we can print some images too. We can see the quality how is it. And okay guys, in next video we can see about the complete setup. And regarding this, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you have any queries or documents, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And I will see you in next video. And okay guys, bye, see you in next video.